Hey everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama. I'm here in a Singlewide. This is a 16 by 60 2-bed, 2-bath. We've got a galley type kitchen here. I like how the refrigerator in the pantry is opposite of the galley kitchen. A lot of times you'll see in a floor plan you just got that galley kitchen up against the wall, so this kind of breaks up the monotony of that. So we have that going on. Coming around the corner here, the doors, front door and back door, are going to be on both sides. So this is actually the back door coming into the utility area, a nice mud room. Walking in, you'll see that galley kitchen. And then this one's ready to ship, guys. So you are going to see some packing materials in the living room. Nice wide open living room. Imagine you even have enough room here for a little dining room table. Coming into the master bedroom. Good sized here. Master bath coming right off of the master bedroom. We got a 60-inch tub shower combination, an extended vanity, and we've got the master closet right here. Looks like they've added an accent wall. Go into the other end of the house. We're going to find the second bedroom. What's great about a house that is 60 long, you'll see when I close this door back, that we've got a very short hallway here. So coming right down the short hallway, swing left, you're going to come into the secondary bath, which again has another tub shower combination with the single vanity, mirror above. And finally into bed 2. Let's take a look at the closet. Remember, we have switched to black hardware, so you're going to find that on all of the doors, as well as the door jambs and the door stops. So here's a 16 by 60 2-bed, 2-bath with a galley kitchen and a separate pantry area in the kitchen. You'll find my phone number in the description below. Thanks for watching.